Hey guys, I'm Paris Wells for the Beauty TV Minute on the Beauty Channel. For today's Beauty TV Minute, we have 4 beauty secrets from the ladies and gentlemen who have dedicated their lives to making the world beautiful. That's right, makeup artist students. Listen closely. Secret 1. Your tools are the most important part of your makeup box. The better your brushes, the easier the application, and the more efficient your makeup will be. Don't be timid on spending money on brushes. Secret 2. If you have oily skin, you can still use cream foundation. Just make sure you apply your makeup with a sponge, which will help your skin pick up the pigment. Secret 3. If you want your eyes to pop, use opposite colors from your eye color. For instance, if you have blue eyes, you want to use an eyeshadow with an orange undertone. If you have green eyes, you want to use eyeshadow with red undertones, etc. That wraps it up for today's Beauty TV Minute. For more beauty news, tips, and trends, visit www.beautytv.me.